Hey everyone, in this short video I'll be talking to you about how to do affiliate marketing without a website, and there's typically two methods that I would recommend that you look into. The first one is through YouTube and the second one is through Pinterest. Both of these methods have a lot of potential when it comes to making affiliate sales without having to use a website, and I'll be talking to you about the strategies and details of how to utilize those two methods to succeed in this business within this video. Now before I cover that, let me just say that if you're new to my channel, my name is Vitaly and I cover the subject of affiliate marketing as well as the greater make money online subjects that are out there because I do this for a living. My primary method of income is affiliate marketing. Here are some of my sales, here's some other sales, and actually a bunch of them actually came from using, in this case, YouTube, but I do make affiliate marketing sales through other methods, and I typically create these videos to help you do the same, whether you're new or struggling, to help you answer these questions, to help you do this correctly because there's a lot of bad information out there. And one of my top recommendations if you're new or struggling is to check out the resource below with this video because it's going to showcase what I consider to be the best way to learn affiliate marketing and do it correctly. It's through the same resource that helped me get to where I am today. It's free to try. Check it out if you're interested. But getting back to the main subject, like I was saying earlier, there are two primary methods to doing affiliate marketing successfully but without a website. The first one is through YouTube. And with the YouTube strategy, what you're essentially going to be doing is one of a few things, but the main one is you want to find popular products, you want to review them in a YouTube video, and you directly link from that YouTube video to the product page. And here's actually an example of what this looks like. Here's one of my videos on another YouTube channel that I run that covers the subject of the outdoors, which I personally love. And here I am reviewing these hiking poles that you see me standing with. I had a friend record me holding them, talking about them, and over here in the description of this video there is an affiliate link that directly takes people to buy this product. I am not using any website whatsoever over here, and this video has made me quite a few sales for this product in question, and I happen to rinse and repeat that for a bunch of other products that I promote on this channel. Now there are a few nuances that you need to understand before you get started with this. The first one is, for a lot of affiliate networks that you try to sign up with, they will require that you show them some sort of website or a YouTube channel when you apply because they're going to want to know that you're a serious affiliate. So in the beginning you may not be able to promote products that you want, but you can start with a YouTube channel, and I typically recommend you do that on a subject that you love. In my case it's the outdoors, and just start creating videos to build up your subscriber count, your view count, to basically build up your resume for future affiliate networks that you're going to sign up with. And once you get that approval, then you can start making new videos promoting these products. So that out of the way, that's the first strategy, and it's one that's very beginner friendly. You don't need any money to get started with it, but it does take time to build up. The second strategy is involving Pinterest. Now I'll be totally honest with you, Pinterest is not one of my main methods of affiliate marketing. I typically use it to create pins to generate traffic to a website which runs ads, and that's how I make money from that website. But with regards to doing affiliate marketing on Pinterest, the general idea is actually not that different than the YouTube one that I gave. You create pins covering different types of subjects and products. Those pins hopefully get clicks, visits, saves, that kind of stuff, and in the description of those pins you will steer people into an affiliate link that takes people to buy whatever product it is that you're promoting. So let me give you an example of what this looks like. I don't have too many pins here that promote affiliate products, but the general idea here is, these are new ones that I've created recently. Let me just show you some of my more popular ones. Whatever, let's just keep it simple. So I have let me keep it simple over here by showing you one of these. Let's say, hypothetically speaking, instead of this image that you have over here, you create an image of somebody hiking, but they have knee problems and they're holding on to these hiking sticks. And the pitch here is that if someone has knee problems, they can use these hiking sticks to help them overcome the hike so they don't have to get hurt. And in the title of your pin, you can say stuff like best trekking poles, best hiking poles for people with knee problems. You can have a short description, and this here, well in this case it's going to be your affiliate link that links people to that. Now this is also going to be a huge numbers game. You're going to want to create a lot of pins on different kinds of products that people would want to buy. So people that have knee problems when they're hiking, you can pitch hiking poles. You can pitch some kind of cream that you can put on to reduce the inflammation, things of that nature. It's a bit more difficult in this case, which is why why I personally don't do it, and I focus mostly on traffic generation when it comes to Pinterest, but it's another potentially viable option, and there are people who do really well with affiliate marketing exclusively on the Pinterest platform without using a website. So those are the two primary methods that I wanted to cover. There are probably more advanced methods out there, but these two are typically the best ones if you're new. You can get started with it for free, and like I said before, there are some nuances where you have to kind of sign up with an affiliate network and go through an application process, but you got to start somewhere when it comes to this kind of stuff, and I do hope that this video helped answer all of these questions. I do, however, strongly recommend that if you're going to get involved in the affiliate marketing world, that you do consider building a website, because that's going to open up way more potential things where you can actually, build a YouTube channel, build a website, send ads to a landing page where you're promoting something. There's just way more doors and potential opened up, and the good news is you don't really need to invest a lot of money into doing that either. So I'm going to finish up this video by also saying that the resource that I mentioned in the beginning of the video will really help you do all of that. They actually provide you with a website and training which you need for all of that, and that's the same resource that helped me get to where I am today, to be a very diversified and successful affiliate marketer. It's free to try that, give it a shot, check them out if you have time. But getting back to the main point, if you have any questions about the subject of doing affiliate marketing without a website, let me know in the comments section below, or if you have any other strategies, you're also welcome to share. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Take care.